Welcome to Plus One, Greg here. I'm just wanting to show you what I'm doing today, which is I've just removed the water pump from my VW Tiguan. It's a 132 kilowatt TSi engine. Now I had a look at all the videos to see what I had to do, followed them all, removed all the bolts, and it still wasn't coming out. I saw one video where the guy fiddled around, went, oh no, fiddled around underneath, and then miraculously pulled it off and went like this. See this thing? This is the manifold gasket bracket, and it sits down. Where does it sit? Down here, right? It sits right down there on the block, and what it does, is it that way or the other way? I don't know. It's one way, it's probably like that. Right, so the manifold sits across there, comes out over here, and this is to give it some extra structural rigidity. So the bolt at the end is one of these. See that? It's a triple square, whatever you want to call it. It's a VW specialty bolts. Get yourself a kit. Mine came with a 3/4 inch, half-inch socket head, and that was a pig. I had to get to that from under the engine. So I'll go through some of the things that I discovered in a little, probably in the next video, but you can see there I've had water weeping around my water pump. It's been leaking for a while. We've just been topping it up, and there's a bit of crud in there, so I'm just going to clean it up and put a new water pump on. Anyway, beware of the manifold bracket with the crazy nut. Okay, cheers.